Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a random dancer in the Let's Dance project. So I got a block up here. It says when the space key is pressed, I'm going to switch to a costume. But I don't want it to be a specific costume. I want it to be random. So I'm going to use the operator, pick random, and we can put this inside of here. Now, we want to pick a number between 1 and the number of costumes in your sprite. So in this case, if we scroll all the way down, we can see that there are 13 costumes for LB. So I'm going to say pick a number between 1 and 13. So now when I press the spacebar, I have no idea what the costume is going to be. I mean, it's going to just pick one of those randomly. Now, another thing that you can do is you can actually use this to create a dance that is a random dance. So when you press the green flag, it runs this code, and we don't know what the dancer is going to do. It's just going to randomly select. Now, sometimes it'll randomly select the same costume, so the person might freeze in their position for 2 beats. And that's okay. That's just because it's randomly selecting that. Now, if you wanted to make things extra complicated, instead of using code like this, you can use code like this, where you are randomly selecting for a pattern. So this one is the cha-cha pattern that I showed in the other video. So this one's going to go random, 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 cha-cha, random, 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 cha-cha. And on the cha-cha, it's going to pick 2 different random costumes. So check this out. Random, random, cha-cha, random, 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 cha-cha. Now, did you notice that it picked the same costume on here? That's okay. It's just randomly selecting the same number twice in a row. So in addition to using the pick random, you can also use some of the blocks that have random in it. So for instance, you could go to a random position, you could glide to a random position. So experiment with these. Try putting it in some of the different blocks where you're able to select stuff with a triangle and just see what happens using the pick random block and randomization. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.